hidden sliding door installation process. The first step is to lean the door against the wall and align the doorway. Placement of fixtures. Mark the line. The second step is to cut holes in the wall. Put in the metal expansion tubes in order. Fixing door fixings to the wall. The center point of the fixture is aligned with the center point of the anti-swing wheel on the ground. Mark it 15 millimeters from the wall. Mark the position of the anti-swing wheel. The third step is to install the door leaf. Fixing the door anti-swing device to the connecting piece. Push-pull test. Complete.